Hello, welcome to the Techtay Quick Setup. In under 2 minutes, I'll show you how to set the device date and time so your bell schedules run perfectly. First, power on the Smart School Bell. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to Techtay_Smart School Bell. The default password is Techtay@pt. Once connected, open a browser. In the browser, type http://192.168.4.1 and open the menu, select Setting. This opens the Set Date and Time page. To autofill the correct values, tap Sync from Browser. This fills the date and time fields with your device clock, handy and error-free. If you must adjust manually, tap the date field and pick the correct day. Then tap time and set the current hour and minute. Make sure AM, PM or 24-hour is correct. When the values are correct, press Save. The page will send the update to the device and show a confirmation message. Time updated successfully. Wait a second. The device stores the time. That's it. Quick and reliable. If you need help, call Techtay Support at +919 382 427 417. Thanks for choosing Techtay.